Okay, sige, 3. Sige, bigyan natin kay audience. So, medyo manatang tayong cheers.
Umalis ka? Wala pa pang
Okay,
papasok.
here you go. Thank you so much. That's yours. Okay na to. Ayan, sige, so thank you so much. So, pinigil pa lang yung first mini. Ayan, so medyo marami na nga nag-join sa ating game. So, we're going to our next Bring Me game. Okay, Ross Pagtaasas, Bring Me. Okay, so this day, looking here in front is yung part of our essential everyday. And syempre, na itong bagay na kailangan natin is, ayan, mas kailangan kapag umuulan or umaaraw. So, ano nga ba to? So, Rini, tumbler! Okay, lagayin ang tubig! Tumbler! Tumbler! Tumbler ng water! Tumbler! Tumbler! Hindi umbrella! Tumbler! Tumbler! Okay, one, okay, two. And three. Oh, it's your prize. Thank you. Okay, little girls, your prize. Thank you so much. So, kailangan celebrating day tayo. So, parang tayo. So, syempre kailangan natin ng water to stay hydrated. O, sige, ito naman. Mamigay naman tayo ito, Kuya Mark, ng 3. Okay, let's give it a limited good bucks naman. Yes. So, syempre for this Bring Me, dahil special ang ating sinicelebrate, special din ang ating Bring Me. So, sino kaya ang makapagdadala ng picture kasama ikaw at si Charlotte? Yeah, together kaya kasama sa picture. Meron na tayo picture. Naghahanap pa ng mga picture. Oh, kami. Paano naman? Basta kasama sa picture. Paano naman po siya picture? Ito, Kuya Mark. Ito, we have one, two, last one. Naghahanap pa. Meron. Malata sa ito. Okay. Ay, very good. Oh, sayang 3 lang. Sayang. Ayan, sige, next naman din. Okay, sige, mabigyan naman tayo ng ating mga toys. Limited toys naman. Okay, let's give a limited toys. Ayan, syempre, din sila naging here para syempre lang, ayan, part ng ating essential everyday. Ayan, so kapakabibigyan natin. Okay, syempre, itong kailangan naman natin is, ayan, meron ito sila Mami, ayan, Beshi, ayan, sister, best friend. Di syempre ito, no, ayan, sinusunod sa grocery store, supermarket, and drugstore. Sinili, 25 centavos. Si Chico! 25 cents. Meron ba tayong 25 cents? Si Chico, 25 cents. Pao naman, meron ba? Okay, dito matakbo na sila naman. Meron ba 25? Okay, come on. Okay, another 25 too. 3 and of 4. Ito na kayo mga let's move boys.
Uy, baryak.
There, so 4. Yes, sinibigyan natin consolation prize. Ito na lang. Consolation prize na lang natin. Ang it's yours na to free. Thank you so much. Sige, bigyan naman tayo na. Nakita ko. Okay. Okay, sige, next.
Bigyan mo siya ng Stephanie.
Ayan, sige, mamimigay naman tayo ng 4 na limited gold bag. Siyempre, bago tayo magpa-bring me, tanongin mo yan sila, no? Ayan. So, kumakain po ba kayo sa McDo? Yes or no? Ayan, siyempre, share ito kumakain sa McDo. Sige, magpa-bring me natin ay nasa cellphone o device ang po ninyo. So, ready your phone. So, kailangan natin ay hindi nyo po makita mga special deals, discounts, and promos sa mga sa McDo. Anything, McDonald's Okay, McDo pa, hindi Mac Delivery, McDo Meron! Tatlo pa! Tatlo! McDonald's App, tatlo! Meron ba? Okay, last. Meron, bigyan natin. Yes! Isa na lang! Isa na lang! And 2! Ay, last one, 4! Ayun! And syempre, dito na muna natin tapusin ang ating Bring Me Game. And Bring Me Game pala, maraming agad tayo game prizes. And syempre, nag-start pa lang tayo mag-warm up. And so, kailangan natin po yung mark na mga kids. So, kailangan start our game and before we give your consolation prize. So, here's your time to shine and to win more exciting prizes. So, maybe you could take home a toy or a tumbler, di ba? So first, I'm going to ask your name and how old are you? Okay, first your name and your age.
Ashley Hernandez. Age.
Ashley
is 8 years
Yes,
old.
8 years old.
Okay, Scarlett, introduce yourself and how old are you?
7 years old.
7 years
7
old.
years old. So si Scarlett ay 7.
Krista. 7.
7 years old.
Crystal is 7
7
years old.
For our next, okay, what's your name?
Ariana.
Ariana, okay, what's that?
7 as well.
Okay.
And your name and age?
Section. May nagtatanong.
5 years old.
Hindi, wala pa.
And what is your name?
Lahat ka na po.
Kezra.
Lahat ka na
Tama
po.
po ba? Kezra. Okay. So, before tayo mag-play, we have Ashley, Scarlett, Ariel,
Sige po, may nagpapatanong.
Krista,
Krista,
and Ayan. So, syempre, we will play our very easy game. So, this game is what we call a longest greeting. So, we need to say you have to greet Charlotte a happy birthday, but you need to make it longer as you can. So, Kuya Mark, could you do it please?
Okay, for example, these are your kids. Okay, for example, happy birthday!
Don't forget the Charlotte.
Okay, happy birthday, Charlotte!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and
Okay,
so
yes.
on. So the longer you greet, the better prize you win.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's start with Ashley. Okay, Ashley, are you ready? Yeah, okay, you can greet Charlotte happy birthday. 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 19.
Okay, so far,
Yes.
Ashley is the highest with the 19
Second.
seconds. So, si Scarlett naman, harap ka naman dun, Scarlett. Are you ready na, Scarlett? Okay, Scarlett, 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
12! Bigyan na natin 12.
Second.
Okay, don't go muna, Scarlett. Here's your prize. Stand ka lang muna. Tabi mo na kay ni Ate Ashley.
Okay, power links naman.
Yes, okay. Ariel or Krista? Krista. Siya si Ariel. Okay, ready ka na, Krista? Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 17!
Sayang!
Ay, so medyo malapit na doon sa ano.
So, here's your prize, Krista. O, tabi kayo ni Scarlett. O, tabi mo na kayo, magpipicture tayo later.
Yes.
Ayun, stay here mo na. So, it's Ariel's turn. Arian. Arian. Arian? Ariana. Okay. O, ready na siya. 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 15. Okay, good sa kayo. Okay, so,
Okay. And last,
yes, we're the last.
but not the least.
Si
Meron yung nalagay 100.
Ezra.
Okay, so are you ready na? Kinakabahan ka ba? Are you feeling nervous?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Fine, happy birthday.
Siya na tuloy ng pila.
Hindi ako na happy birthday. Ako na
Ikaw
happy
yung
birthday.
bumate.
Sige,
Okay,
ready.
natin Kuya Mark para marinig siya.
Ready, ready.
O, ready ha? O, you can greet Charlotte a happy birthday. The longer as you can. Okay?
Happy birthday!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. 27 seconds pero may daya. Ay, may daya.
Ayan, thank you,
Ayan.
Ashley. And of course, we have the winner. Ayan si Ezra. Ayan, bigyan siya na game prize as well. Ayan. And here's your prize. Okay, Charlotte, could you stand up, Charlotte? Magpipicture tayo. Ayun, syempre, kasama si Charlotte. Okay, dikit tayo. Ay, dagdagan natin sa kabila.
Yes, yes. It's a good dito yan. Every year.
Ayan, para kita tayong lahat. Okay, ready? Kids, look muna sa camera mga kids. Look mo na. 1, 2, 3, smile. Show us your wacky face. Wacky. Very good. Thank you. And Oh, you may take your seat. And syempre, okay, there you go. And so, before we start our game is what we call a Get the Cup. And before we get the cup on the floor, the very mechanics of this game is you should and you must touch your body parts. Okay, so first and foremost, before we play the game, we shall do our practice game muna. So, we will not declare any winner. Practice muna. Okay, listen carefully mga kids ha. Ready? Head. Shoulder. No, do not look at me. Look at your partner. Para yung baso ay makukuha natin. Okay. Ulit. Head. Shoulder. Eyes. Ears. Nose. Shoulder. Practice. Get the cup! Okay! Very good. So, that's how we play the game. Okay, mga kids? And kindly put down the cups. Ayan. So, that's how we play the game. So, you need to be fast as you can. So, the first one will get the cup. It's your prize to take it home. And to those not, will receive a consolation prize. So, syempre, kailangan natin galingan. Okay? Dahil so we are clear na, we will declare a winner na. Okay, ready? Stand up straight. Listen carefully. Shoulder. Eyes. Nose. Ears. Head. Shoulder. 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 Head. Knees. Oh, where's the knees? Toes. Toes. Shoulder. Stand up straight. Wala pa. Stand up straight. Wala pa. Yes. So, very attentive mga kids. Okay, for the last time, let's see. Shoulder. Head. Eyes. Ears. Nose. Shoulder. Shoulder. Head. Shoulder. Knees. Shoulder. Head. Get the cup! Okay! Very good. Okay, may I know who doesn't get the cup? Sino walang baso? Dito muna sila sa gilid. Kuya Mark, pakuha ako ng mga may baso to have a picture muna. Okay, magpipicture yung mga winners muna natin. You don't have a cup, Scarlett. Okay, mag-wait muna tayo mga kids. And mga winners natin. Let's take a picture. Okay, dagdagan natin ang ating My Little Pony game prize. Okay, once again, let's take a picture. Look at the camera. 1, 2, 3, smile. Let's take a picture muna. Picture muna tayo. Okay, another. Thank you so much. Okay, you may take your seat. And also, Charlotte, you may take your seat.